Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AKER. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I offer an explanation video at that link. Well, quite the eventful day on this one, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume and well above the average volume on the day. But as far as just summarizing today's movement, this was just a total pump and dump. There's no other way to put it. If you're not familiar with what a pump and dump is, all that means is that a price makes a great move. And let's give credit where credit's due. From where it started to as high as it went, that was a very, very solid move. That was, in fact, a great move. Next part of the pump and dump is usually the price within a relatively small amount of time goes back to where it was. And considering this all happened within the exact same day, hopefully we can agree this was a relatively small amount of time. And then the final part is the price goes back to where it was or even lower. And you can see here that this afternoon the price literally went right back to where it all began. So this was a total pump and dump, but this brings up an interesting scenario going forward, and this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have traded for a while. But if you have that, I'm sure you've seen these pump and dump price type movements where the price then consolidates out, and then, from that point can make some nice movements. Now, when I say nice movements, I don't mean returning back to the highs or anything like that, but at least a worthwhile tradable bounce. And that's what we have right here at $3.50. Going back to the chart, you can see that 350, generally speaking, did a good job of providing support before the big bounce. And then once again here, despite all the chaos on bloodshed, right there, once again, it found some support at 350. Now, again, am I saying that therefore this thing is going to skyrocket back up to $5? I'm not saying that. But even if it went up to, $4.20, for example, from a percentage standpoint, when we're talking about a sub $5 stock, that could be very worthwhile. Now, of course, this could all be wiped away if the price on Friday or next week just blasts down through 350. But at this point, like I said, from a risk-reward situation, a very interesting setup here where 350, is it going to hold? Could it create some sort of, movement back to the upside? So let's see what happens with this one on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.